Hi everyone. So, as a marketing cloud developer, when you are doing marketing cloud implementation for a new org, which is basically you are doing the initial stage implementation. If you are typically syncing your marketing cloud account with Salesforce CRM, you do it with Marketing Cloud Connect. And typically there is a step which is basically syncing all the different objects and fields from Salesforce CRM to Marketing Cloud. And typically it's very tedious task because Salesforce team provide you a Excel file which have all the objects and all the fields in those objects. Let's just say for this example, they have provided me this small Excel which have only four objects: account, contact, case, and lead, and all those have different fields which I wanted to sync from Salesforce CRM to Marketing Cloud. So typically it's very tedious task because what you have to do, you see all these fields and you go into your Marketing Cloud org and sync those fields, select those fields one by one, which I can just show you quickly. So typically you go into your data source, go there, and then you set up object. So let's just say first we are syncing the object case. So I'll select the case object. Then I have to select all the fields one by one, which is there in the Excel. So let's just say in the Excel I have reason, then I have case number, I have is close. So I'll check all the fields which I wanted to sync from that Excel and then select that one by one, which is very tedious task typically, right? So I have this small trick using which you can just sync all those fields in a single click or in a single go. There is two step basically. So the first step is you will you will go. Let's just say I'm taking an example of account here. You go here, you right click on this, go into inspect, you go to console, clear it out. I have this script which I'll share in description, so you can copy and paste it from there. We'll paste that script here. That is the first step. Now the second step is, in this script it's not complete yet. In this script you have to provide the list of fields which you want to sync, which can be different in different use cases and different objects, right? So you will provide that list here in this first line, which is field names is equal to this empty array, which is empty at this point. You will provide the list of fields, right? So you have to go into Excel and you have to select those fields. In my case, it's like 170. Yeah, it's 173. I've checked that previously, right? So I cannot directly copy and paste it there. So for that also I have a small trick for you. In your Excel itself, you can use this function called text join, which will basically provide you this list in a single string. So I use this function as a delimiter. You have to provide single quote, comma, single quote. The second parameter will be ignore empty cells. So I wanted to make it true. Yes, I want to ignore all those empty cells. Then I have to select the cells. So it's A2 to A73 in my case, right? I hit enter and it will simply give me the list of the string, which is list of all the fields. So I go here in my script, I'll paste that string here. I start a single quote, paste that, and then close the single quote. So now I have the list of fields in my array, and the rest of the script will remain same. You don't have to do anything on that. And I simply hit enter, and you will see automatically all those fields are selected. You actually have to do it 2 times. Yeah. And if you go and see, you will see that all those fields which is there in the list is automatically selected. The one that is not there is not selected, and the one that was there is selected, right? So it remove a lot of tedious tasks. You don't have to do it. In a single click. You can just sync an entire object and you can just click save. Very easy, right? So you can try this script, and if you have any questions or if you have any problems, just let me know. But it's a small trick that I use a lot and work fine.